So now, how does Sparkplug support digital transformation initiatives?
So essentially, the way Sparkplug works is that it defines three things in order to support the digital transformation. The first one is a set of standard payloads, okay, so that you know in advance what kind of data you're getting. The second one is, of course, what we call the topic namespace. In other words, you define a hierarchy, like a folder hierarchy on a hard drive, for example, which is predictable and structured. So you know in advance where the information will be. And this namespace provides as well context about the data that you are about to publish. And the third one is stateful session management, so that you know at every given time if the devices are online or not. So from a digital transformation perspective, Sparkplug is really transformative, because out of the box, devices and software components will work together. So you don't have to tweak the payloads, you don't have to parse or to write additional code in order to get the data out of the messages, and you get access to a set of products that have been certified using, the Sparkplug official compatibility kit. Okay, yeah. So on our website, we have a list of products that pass the compatibility kit, and the HiveMQ broker, of course, is one of them. And really, you can pick from them products that you know in advance will work together, no questions asked. And that's a big difference, because in most typical industrial automation projects, okay, you do proof of concepts and you pick the components that fulfill the requirements, but after that you have a lengthy phase of integration and changes and tweaks to really adapt this to your own organizational environment. You don't have to do that with Sparkplug, because out of the box everything works together. So really, Sparkplug is an accelerator for digital transformation from that perspective, because you spend more time on solving the actual problem and less time on, whipping the infrastructure into shape.